Hi and welcome to this channel once again. In this video, I'll show you 3 legit ways to make money on Medium. For those of you who don't know, Medium is a free writing platform where you can share your stories and skills by writing, but at the same time, you can make money on this fantastic platform. And in this video, I'll show you how to go about it. But first, I would like to show you the monthly visits on this platform, just for you to know that this is a platform that you can rely on. I have this Chrome extension called SimilarWeb. You can install it, it's free. Alright, so as you can tell, Medium has 175 million monthly visits. So that should tell you this is a great platform. Okay, with that established, let's get into the video. Alright, so the way this platform works, you can read 5 articles per month for free. But if you want to have unlimited access, you have to pay $5 to become a member. This is how Medium generates revenue. And you as a writer, you make money from this $5 each month based on the reader's stats. And this is because there are no ads on this platform. So as you can tell, like when I scroll down all over, there's nothing like ad anywhere. These are all articles. Alright, so if you are not a member yet, I'll drop a link in the description box. You can click on it, alright, and sign up. Alright, so the first legit way to make money off Medium is by joining the partner program. To join the partner program, you first need to meet 2 eligibility requirements: have at least 100 followers on Medium and have published at least 1 story on Medium in the past. So even if you don't write on Medium, but you just want to promote the partner program, at least 1 article in every 6 months. But to me, that's not best, because the more articles you write, the more money. And I'll show you the money I've made directly from Medium so far. Alright, so I'll show you quick. So you go back here, click on the avatar, go to Medium partner program. So for story earnings, I've made 73.69 cents US, and refer membership. So like the memberships, so the link, if somebody click on it and sign, I'll earn 50% commission minus processing fee. All right, so which will give me $2.27. So in total, I've made $75.96 US dollars so far. But the more numbers you have signing up, the better for you. So I would advise you to write more stories. And when people read your story, each day they calculate based on the minutes they spend reading your stories. All right. And that's how you make money. All right. So these are some of the earnings from my stories. So for this month, I have only 1 referral earning. All right. So that's the first method. So the second method is by leveraging your email list. Okay. So when people sign through your link, they're going to display their email addresses in case you want to promote something. So I'll show you quick. So if I go to audience stats, oh, by the way, I have a video on how to gain 100 followers. I'll drop it in the description box so you can watch it. It's going to show you the strategies I used to gain 100 plus followers within a week. Watch this video, it's going to help you a lot. All right, so let's go back. So right now, if I click here, it's going to show the email subscribers, okay? And I can promote any affiliate product to them. Okay? So the last, which is the third legit way to make money on Medium, is through affiliate marketing, or any product that you are using that you want to promote, like Apple accessories and stuff like that. Once you build up your audience and you know that they read most of your articles, once in a while when you're gonna write a promotional article, then you chip in your affiliate links, or you can promote affiliate products through the email list that you've generated. And I'll show you a typical example on how to promote affiliate links on Medium genuinely. Alright, so this is one of my articles that I've written about Bluehost product review. So Bluehost is a web hosting company, and I host my Blogsdom website on it. Alright, and it's been good so far. And when you scroll down right here, Bluehost, okay, so when somebody clicks on it and they buy something or they subscribe, I'll get a commission. But the most important thing I want to show you right here, so at the end of each article, you have to add a disclaimer. So this is what Medium want you to do, and a lot of people, they don't do this, and Medium shut down their articles. Like, they're gonna suppress your articles. You know why? Because each time they click on this link, that means you are sending them away off the Medium platform, and that's one thing most social media networks don't like, okay, especially Facebook. All right, so you can do this, but I mean, don't do it often. Just do it once in a while, right? All right, so let's go back to the home page. And please, one thing I'm going to tell you, write about something that you are passionate about, something that you have more knowledge and skills about, all right? Something that you can't stop talking about, and make sure you do your research. There are some articles that when you write it, people will not read it, okay? Especially your personal stuff. Write searchable articles, all right? So let's say, for instance, how to lose weight through keto diet. You know, these are searchable articles, so you can get more views, and that's how you go viral. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.